students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find out the number of right angles turned through by an hour end of a clock when it goes from, we are given different part and we have to find out answer for all this part. So in the part A, we are given that when clock moves from 3 to 6, so how many right angles it turned through. So here, let's first making our clock. This is our clock. This is 12, 3, 6 and 9, and in between them 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and it is 11. So this is our clock. So here we know that one revolution is equals to 12 hours. One revolution is equals to 12 hours, and look here, from 12 to 3 it is making a right angle, and from 1 to 5 again making a right angle. So from here we have concluded that after every 3 hours it make one right angle. It make one right angle, which means 3R is equals to 1/4 of this revolution. Basically 1R is equals to 1 divided by the 12th of the revolution. So 3R from here is equals to 3 divided by the 12. That is equals to 1 divided by the 4th of this revolution. So from here we have concluded that one right angle is equals to 3R or is equals to 1/4 revolution. So here in the first part we are given that it moves from 3 to 6. Move from 3 to 6. 3 to 6, it is clearly visible that the difference between from 3 to 6 is 3R, and which means in 3R it will cover 1/4 of this revolution, and we know that one right angle is equals to 1/4 of this revolution. So from here we can say that it cover one right angle. So one right angle is the answer to the first part. Now let's move to the next part. Now in the part B, clock travels from 2 to 8. From 2 to 8, 12, 3, 6, 9. Here is 1, 2 and here is 7, 8. So clock from here travels from 2 to 8. 2 to 8. From 2 to 8, the time from here is 6 hours. We can say that clock moves 6 hours, and we know that one right angle, as we just discussed above in the first part, is equals to 3 hours. So so from here we can say that if 3 hours is equals to one right angle, so 6 hours is equals to two right angles. So from here we can say that the clock will form two right angles. So this is the answer to the part B of this question. In the part C, clock moves from 5 to 11. So here's clock, here's our hour end, 12, 3, 6, 9. It is given that clock moves from 5 to 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And from 5 to 11, there are 6 hours. From 5 to 11 there are 6 hours, and we know that one right angle is equals to 3 hours. So for 6 hours that will be equals to, number of right angle will be equals to 6 divided by 3, that is equals to 2 right angles. So we can say that 2 right angles is the correct answer to this part. Now let's move to the next part. In the part D, we are given that clock moves from 10 to 1. Again here, this is 9, then from here is 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12 and here is 1. It moves from 12 to 1. From 12 to 1, it covers 3 hours. And as we just discussed before, we know that the one right angle is equals to 3 hours. So from here we can say that the clock cover one right angle. So this is the answer to the part D of this question. In the part E, we are given that the clock moves from 12 to 9. 12 to 9. This is our clock. 12, 3, 6 and 9. Clock moves from 12 to 9. From 12 to 9 it covered 9 hours. And we know that one right angle is equals to 3 hours. So for 9 hours the right angles will be 9 divided by 3. That will be equals to 3 right angles. So from here we can say that when clock moves from 12 to 9 it will cover 3 right angles. So this is the answer to the part E of this question. Now let's move to the part F, which is from 12 to 6. So this is our clock. 12, 3 and 6 and here is 9. From 12 to 6 clock cover 6 hours, or we can say that 1/2 of the revolution, and we know that the one right angle is equals to 3 hours, or 3 hours is equals to one right angle. So 6 hours is equals to 6 divided by 3, that is equals to 2 right angles. So from here we can say that when clock moves from 12 to 6 it will cover 2 right angles. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem we use some basic concept of clocks. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.